This is the video for the main program of the last pick game. It starts out by saying branch if equal the task value to 0, go to AA. Task will be 0 when the program starts, so then it must initialize the game. Well, otherwise it comes down here and puts the absolute value of game number in game number to make sure it's a positive value. Then it checks to see if the game number is equal to the was game number. That will be the game that was running. If they are equal, it goes to AC. Doesn't have to initialize the game because you're in the same game. Then it sets task to 1, show time to 0. The stat action controls the sequence of notes in the blue note box. Then it does a call to routine 100 to initialize the game. Then it exits. All right, the next time around, game number will be equal to was game number, and it will go down here to AC. Then it says put note 1 in the blue note box, and then it says to do the YouTube videos. Well, we're not going to go over that. And the next one says to show the YouTube videos. We won't go over that line. But here's the next one we will. Branch if equal the level number to 5 to AH. The level will be at 5 only when all 5 levels have been done, which means that the game is over. After that, if that's not equal, it comes down here and calls routine 101, which shows the pictures for the show level. Then it goes to routine 102 and checks for check boxes. Then it says it goes automatically to AJ down here. And here's the AH. It only goes there when the game is over. Then it calls routine 104, displays the click count. Then routine 105 is called. It shows the frames around the boxes. Then it sets the font to bold 24 point, the color to a dark red, the XY position to 1525. Then it puts a text on the screen saying game number. Then it adds a little value to X, moves it to the right, and then says ask for a value called game number, and then it exits. Well, we'll go to the game. This last part we saw is where it shows game number here, and then it checks to see what number was entered. Well, that's the end of the video for the main program of Last Pick.